Mechanical Engineering, GNID. I am honored to welcome Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, distinguished group of HODs, faculty members and students who are gathered here today for this expert talk on product design and development. Now I would like to invite Dr. B. Vijay Kumar, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Controller of Examinations, GNIT, please be on to the stage. Thank you, sir. Now it's a privilege to invite Dr. S. Srinath Reddy, Principal GNIT, to the stage. I feel grateful to have the presence of our beloved principal, a person who is an inspiration to all. Now I would like to invite, warmly welcome our guest speaker, Dr. A. Venugopal Rao, Scientist H, Associate Director, DMRL, Hyderabad, who has generously agreed to share their expertise with us. Thank you, sir. Now I request Supratika to present bouquet to our chief guest. Thank you, sir. Now I request beloved HOD and me to share some enlightened words about the session.
Good morning. So, respected Principal Sir and respected Chief Guest, the expert speaker, today's resource person, Dr. A. Venugopal Sir, and our beloved Principal Sir, Dynamic Principal Sir, Dr. S. Srinath Reddy Sir, and on behalf of the management, I thank our management for providing this opportunity, approving this opportunity. I thank our beloved Principal Sir for initiating to organize such an expert lecture. And my dear students, I welcome you all for today's innovative lecture, and renowned speaker, Dr. A. Venugopal Sir is an extreme and extraordinary scientist, associate director and scientist H from DMRL, and it is a privilege and fortunate to have such a great personality to deliver a talk in our institution. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. And within 3 days back, when I requested, and during his busy schedule, sir has accepted our invitation, and from bottom of my heart, I am deeply conveying my thanks, sir. So my dear students, please utilize this opportunity, and this is the practice of our Guru Nanak institutions, and by inviting the eminent personalities from industries and the scientists and innovative areas, and to have the exposure in innovations and developments and engineering and technology, and to nurture advanced technologies and to motivate towards the technologies contribution, and to concentrate engineers to learn to enhance the industrial exposure among all the students. This is the practice of our Guru Nanak institutions, our managements, our beloved MD sir directions, and VC sir and our late chairman sirs directions, and their vision to nurture skill and valuable information, and to bring our institutions one of the best among all the 150 institutions. So this is the practice, my dear students. Please utilize this opportunity. Please interact the session. Listen carefully. Such a wonderful lecture, you never get it, because our scientists are very noble professions, and they don't have the time to spend. Even though being a social responsibility, they would like to encourage the budding engineers, upcoming engineers. So this is what I thought sir has given the opportunity. And thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time. Thank you, my dear students and teachers, for making this event fruitfulness. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request beloved Principal Sir to share some inspiring words with us.
Good morning to one and all. On behalf of Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and on behalf of the organizing committee of Department of Mechanical Engineering, I am delighted to welcome today's our distinguished chief guest and resource person, Dr. Venugopal Rao garu, scientist H from DMRL. Very thank you, sir, for coming over here and spending your valuable time with us. My dear students, it is very faculty also. It is very fortunate today we have the session with a great scientist from Sri Dr. Venugopal Rao garu, and it is one of the defense sector, DMRL, as you know, it is purely for the mechanical and metallurgical related technological developments. Sir almost had with an experience more than 30 plus years at different various mechanical related, metallurgical related sectors, which will help his experience will share it with you. And students and faculty are not restricted to do design part only. So we need to extend whatever we have thoughts and make the better design, and the design to be converted to make a product. That product to be, whatever the analysis we made, the product to be more useful and more beneficial in all aspects, the safety and as well as economical part. Then only we can call as best engineering. So whatever the knowledge with us, when we interact with the great scientist, we'll get more informative, and after that, that input will take and inspire some of the students to make as a group and to think and to make the better design based on the design, and you can go with to develop the product. Such a kind of developmental activities to be required in the coming days. So that will be more beneficial to the society and as well as to the nation. If every engineer to make some kind of the product developments with the making of the better design, sometimes while making again design also we need to change some little bit, because whatever our thoughts will apply in the design concept, some we can't make 100% as a product development. Other time we can modify some design and we need to make the product. So that product development if you made, then you are the better engineer. Tomorrow such a people is required for the industry to prove yourself in R&D sector and as well as the design and analysis sector. So that it is very fortunate, and I request all the participants today who are here to be in active, and your participation to be in to convert as active participation, and take the maximum inputs from the great scientist Dr. Venugopal Rao garu. Take maximum inputs and you freely to interact with him and your thoughts also, and sir will suggest you whether it is feasible to make or not. Such a kind of interaction we are expecting from you. So it is a very fortunate day to you all, and to interact with such a great scientist, and which will help for your career to turn into a right track. So apart from the, it is a complete different from the, this interactive session completely different from the academics. Okay, whatever the area you are interested, whatever the idea you have, the technical idea in your mind on your core area, that you may interact with him, how far it is feasible, whether you can go for to make such a product with the help of these kind of designs, whether it is feasible or not. Such a kind of interaction we are expecting from you all. As sir, you know, and within the 3 days he accepted to come over here, and today moreover it is a complete working day in week middle. So sir is accepted our invitation and spending his complete valuable time with us here today, and moreover his personal requirements are also there. Just now sir shared his son is in US, and next month his son marriage is there coming next within a month. So even though sir is spending such interaction with us all, so it is helpful for us. That is his busy schedule and his personal side and official side, and he spent it today with us in the week middle, so that you can use this such a kind of opportunity, and you should be in active participate and take the maximum inputs and to apply your thoughts. Okay, as we know, all are the already your seniors are making every year the automotive vehicle, they are working and they are making and they are executing and they are testing and they are participating. And last year also they made some EV electric vehicle. I appreciate the mechanical department to do such a kind of the product developments every year. And one more product we are working and we are making, that is the disc washing machine. Already at the initial stage, some of the students already did the project at some extent. After that again we taken some more inputs and we are making that product to be commercial product. For that we are working for that. So such a kind of product developments. Further we need to add more and more in your with your exposure at your department, which will be appreciable. Okay. I thanks once again for the Venugopal Rao sir to accept our invitation and spending your valuable time with us here today. And I request all the participants to make them to utilize such a interactive session with fruitfully. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for